Hi, I'm Hao, and this video is about drawing using Autocad. So when we finish drawing the template and we need to add the label, we need to click here for single line text, and let's zoom in. So we pick a point, select the height for the text and the direction, then we can type here. Then after typing the text, we can select and move it to the position we want. So we will repeat the process for the other label as well. And if we want to change the text, we need to go to Annotate, click for this text style, and then we can set the height or the width. Then to attach the UTeM logo, we need to go to Insert and click on Attach. Then select the picture, and then I will use Specify on screen. So I will pick a point, make another click, and it will become a very big picture. So we need to resize for it to go inside the box. So after this, we can move by right click and then it's done. So for dimension, so if you want to add dimension for this template, you need to go to Home and make another layer first. So you add a new layer, we'll name it dimension. We can pick the color. Let's pick yellow color. So then set this to the current dimension. Then we can add dimension through this. So only click when there is a square appear. Then we need to click on the other side and then pull it up. So we'll get this label for dimension. And we'll repeat this for the other dimension as well. So for drawing the outside wall of a house plan, we need to click on line, then click on the point, and then type the length. So this is 10,000, and then we need to go down for 8,000. And the same thing here, and then we'll go back. Let's type it. So after doing this, we need to use offset. So we have to offset 300, then click on the line, offset to the inside for 4 of this line. After that, we can use fillet to click on the line to trim the excess. So after doing this, we will get our outside wall like this. So after drawing the outside wall, we need to draw the inside wall. So we need to create another layer. So this is for inside wall, and we'll make it green color. So select this. Then in order to draw the inside wall, we need to use hole snap. So we click the line, find the middle point, and then draw it across here, and also draw one for horizontal. So after drawing this line, we need to offset the line by 100. We need to offset the line 100 to both sides. So after offset line, we need to trim. So this line we don't want, and also this. And all of this. So we left only 4 lines here. So after finish the inside wall, we need to add a door. So to do this, we need to offset the line. So we can type 150 to offset this line to here, and then select the line, offset another 750. So now we have these 2 extra lines. We can extend. So line goes through here. After that, we'll trim off the long line, and also the line here. So we have an opening for the door. So go into here. When we need to make a Doorjamb, we need another layer. So create a new layer. We name it as door, and then put it as red. So to do the Doorjamb, we need to offset 30. So we can offset this line 2 times and goes in for 70. And also these 2 lines here. Then we also need to draw a line at the middle. After that, we can use the fillet to join this line. So we can get a shape easily. And then we can trim off this excess line. And then this is in Doorjamb. Then we need to change it to the layer for door. And this is not for the door, we need to change back to inside wall. So the Doorjamb is done for the door opening. So we need to use up So we'll use start, center and end. So we'll start at this point and then select this point as the center, and then it will become like this, and then we can get another straight line here to make it complete. And we also need to change this to the proper layer. So the door is done. So after doing all the doors, the thing left to do is the stairs. So to do this, we need to add another layer. Name it as stairs. Then we can make this pink color. And then to make the stairs, we need to use offset and type 1000. So we can offset this line to here, and also for the bottom up. Then we can trim this line off and select these two lines to change to the stairs layer. So let's zoom in here. So to make the stairs, we need to use array. So let's select this and press enter. We'll get through here, and when we need to do this is use this line to create a ladder going this direction. So we need only one column, and the width is 1000. So for row, we need 12 row. Each of it is 220. So you get this ladder. So this is an array, you can't trim it off. So what we need to do is select this, go to home and click explode. So this is this becomes single line. Then you can trim off all of this line. So let's select the line. Trim off. After this, we need to do another direction for the ladder here. So as similar to the previous one, click on array, select this line, press enter, and then this time around we need only one row, which is 1000 unit for the single row, and we need 8 column, 220 each. So if we get this in the wrong direction, we can click here, drag it over. So we have now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 column, and then make a click. Then we'll get this ladder. Then same thing here, to select this and export. Then we can trim this off. So after doing this ladder, we need to add a handrail here at the side. So we'll be using offset of 100 units. So click on the line here, offset it to the left, and this one to the top. After this, we can use fillet to remove the excess. And also, we can trim this off. And then, to make this a curve, we have to use fillet, type R, and then 100. So we can make a curve here, and also here. And then, to make an end on here, we need to use arc. So in this case, we need to use start, end, and direction. So going here, click on these 2 points and drag on this direction. So it will become half of a circle. Then select this, change to the right layer. So the steps is done. And this is my final drawing. Thanks for watching.